Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today then we are going to upload guys how can we on guys ultra power saving mode setting in our Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to on guys your Infinix phone ultra power saving. So friend, how can you on and friend, how can you use today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon. So friends, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting, I scroll it. Then click on guys your phone battery setting means get the power setting guys. Tap here. As you can see, ultra power saving mode guys. Tap here. Then we will have to click on enable option. Tap here to on it. After on guys, you cannot use get this all setting guys. You can use guys only phone calls, messages, and calendar guys. You can open it. And guys, your screen will black and white after on power saving mode, ultra power saving mode. So like that guys, we can on guys ultra power saving mode setting guys, and we can use in our Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.